Ashwinya, back with another video. In last video, you saw how standard deviations can be used in day-to-day tasks. Today we look at how standard deviations can be used at choosing your financial instruments, more specifically mutual funds. So on your screen you see two mutual funds, Kotak Blue Chip and Kotak Small Cap. So Kotak Blue Chip is basically large cap funds and Kotak Small Cap is small cap funds. And what are large cap and small cap? If you want me to cover, I can do it in a separate video. And so right now we are looking at 3-year and 5-year returns. You can see that the small cap is much higher than large cap, and it would obviously look attractive for most of the investors. But then there is another parameter that you need to check before investing just blindly based on returns. There is another risk profile of the fund that you need to see. We see that the standard deviation for Kotak Blue Chip Fund is 12, and for Kotak Small Cap it's about 15.5. So let's see what that means. Standard deviation basically is the measure of dispersion. So how that can translate to mutual funds is how much the returns can fluctuate. So let's take an example that a Kotak Blue Chip Fund has an approximate mean of 14% returns every year. By a 12% standard deviation, it means the returns can go from 2% to 26% yearly. So this is the range, and probably for a small cap fund, let's say the returns are about 15%. So it means it can go from a negative -1 to a 26%, a 30% based on market conditions. So if you're somebody who can take a risk profile of a negative return every year, then yes, small cap funds are for you. But then if you're somebody who is looking at safe investments, then you should probably have a look at large cap funds, and standard deviation helps you derive at that. There are other parameters also for assessing the risk profile like alpha, beta and all. If you want me to cover the same, please let me know. I'll definitely make videos on the same. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Tara.